So what happened after the thunderstorm here, guys? Oh, storm yesterday and the other day. Look, our Fiona, tree Fiona, a white star flower in it. Look at this. She's almost more than a month. This is 6 weeks already since I planted them in the big pot. Look, they grow really good, and the weather is nice and so cool here. 6 o'clock in the morning. Wow. So another plant Fiona here. It's really good as well. Look, she's been a month or 6 weeks as well since I planted it together. This, look at the difference. This is from the tubers. So yeah, that's how it take a bit longer to come up with all this tree. It's very nice. So I soaked them in the sun for a bit now. Over here is our Lucky Dip bulb. This is what happened after the storm. They grow even more longer leaves. And our Harlequin bulb, she's best as well. So I soak them in the sun. So no more watering after this is still wet. Give it a chance to grow more. Otherwise the roots will rotten. That's beautiful, Fiona. I can't wait. Maybe by next year or so I'll probably put them in the big pot too. Or in the ground, we'll see. She grew really well. And so are you girls. Done a good job, huh? Yay, look at this. Super healthy. I don't care if they don't flower to me this year because I just planted it this year. They can flower next year if they want to. I just want the tree to get healthy. Okay. Over here is our Zinnia. Zinnia Oklahoma Scarlet. They're beautiful flowers. So after thunderstorm and rain, nice and cool, and they grow even more. Look, as you can see. So this one developing flower, I'm not gonna pull them anymore. I'll let them be because they deserve it. I already removed the first flower they have. So now I'll let them be. Look, this one, after I cutting this from that one like that, it turned like this. That's amazing. Make sure you remove the leaves in the bottom. See? So this, the grasshopper biting them, eh? The roses do well too.